Are you a mom who is tired of the lies that the food industries are feeding you and your children? Are you a woman whose heart is breaking over the insane brutalities inflicted on animals in the farm factories? And are you ready to help end these horrific crimes committed against the most vulnerable souls? Are you a woman who has always dreamed to be part of something bigger than yourself and to be part of changing the world for the better for all of its inhabitants? Only a vegan lifestyle can accomplish all of this. Don't leave this world with a dream still inside you, but let's sit down together and let's talk about all of this. My name is Daniela, the Vegan Mom. Please go to my website and make an appointment with me, and let's see how I can help you. And I can be your tour guide through the land of veganism. Love you all so much. Mwah. See you soon.